Okay, in this video, we'll be solving some of the binomial expansion questions from the past papers. So to solve these binomial expansion questions, we are going to use these formulas. The rth term is NCR e power n minus r multiplied by b power r. And you should know NC0 equal to NCn, which is equal to 1. Okay. NC1 is equal to NC n minus 1, which is equal to n, and NCR equal to NC n minus r. So let's solve the first question. Expand 1 plus 3x the whole power 6 in ascending powers of x up to and including the term in x square. So let's expand this 1 plus 3x the whole power 6. Okay, 6c0 1 power 6 3x power 0 plus 6c1 1 power 5 3x power r is 1 here 1, so plus 6c2 1 power 4 3x power 2. So we need the term up to x square, so we'll write up to this. So what is 6c0, which is equal to 1? So 1 times 1 power 6 multiplied by 3x power 0 will give 1, plus 6c1 is 6 multiplied by 1 power 5 multiplied by 3x, plus 6c2 is 15 multiplied by 9x square. So this is equal to 1 plus 18x plus 135x square. Okay, the next part of the question is, hence find the coefficient of x square in the expansion of 1 minus 7x plus x square multiplied by 1 plus 3x the whole power 6. So let's write 1 minus 7x plus x square, which is multiplied by 1 plus 3x the whole power 6. For that, we will use this answer 1 plus 18x plus 135x square. So now we need to find the coefficient of x square. So what is coefficient of x square? When you multiply this 1 by this x square term, you will get coefficient of x square, so which is 1 multiplied by 135, and if you multiply this x term by another x term, you will get x square term. So the coefficient will be negative 7 multiplied by 18 plus this multiplied by this, so 1 multiplied by 1. So this is equal to 135 minus 126 plus 1. So this is equal to 10. So the coefficient of x square is 10. Next, question number 2. The coefficient of x cube in the expansion of 3 plus 2ax the whole power 5 is 6 times the coefficient of x square in the expansion of 2 plus ax the whole power 6. Find the value of the constant a. So we need to find first the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of this. Okay. To find the coefficient of x cube, let's first write the rth term. What is rth term here? For this expansion, it is 5c r 3 power n minus r multiplied by 2ax power r. Okay, we need to get the coefficient of x cube. To get the x cube term, let's take the r value as 3. Five c 3 3 power 5 minus 3, which is 2. So 2a power 3. So this is equal to 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 2 cube is 8 multiplied by a cube. And this is equal to 720 a cube. So next find the coefficient of x square in the expansion of 2 plus ax the whole power 6. Okay, what's the rth term for that? 6cr 2 power n minus r ax power r. Okay. Coefficient of x square is, to find a coefficient of x square, let's take the r value as 2. Then we will get x squared term. So 6c2, 2 power 6 minus 2 is 4, a power 2. So this is equal to 6c2 is 15 multiplied by 16 a square, which is equal to 240 a square. Okay, it's given the coefficient of x cube in this expansion is 6 times the coefficient of x square in this expansion. Okay, so 720 a cube equal to 6 times 240 a square. Okay, now bring all the a term into one side. So we get a cube divided by a square equal to 6 multiplied by 240 divided by 720. So this and this we can cancel. We get 3 times. And 6 and 3, it is 2. A cube divided by a square is a, and which is equal to 2. Next, question number 3. Expand the following in ascending powers of x up to and including the term in x square. Okay, so 5c 0 1 power 5 2x power 0 plus 5c 1 1 power 4 2x power 1 plus 5c2 1 power 3 2x power 2. So we need up to x squared term. So here we get x squared term here. Okay. So this is 1 plus 5c1 is 5 multiplied by 2x plus 5c2 is 10 multiplied by 4x square. So this is equal to 1 plus 10x plus 40x square. Now the next expansion is 1 minus ax the whole power 6. So this is 6c0 1 power 6 minus ax power 0 plus 6c1 1 power 5 minus ax power 1 plus 6c2 1 power 4 minus ax power 2 plus 6. Okay, we need up to x square only, so we'll stop. And this is equal to 1 plus 6 multiplied by minus ax plus 15 multiplied by a square x square. So this is equal to 1 minus 6ax plus 15a square x square. The next part of the question is, in the expansion of 1 plus 2x the whole power 5 multiplied by 1 minus ax the whole power 6, the coefficient of x square is negative 5. Find the possible value of a. So 1 plus 2x the whole power 5. So we have written here, we will take this as 1 plus 10x plus 40x square multiplied by 1 minus ax the whole power 6. We have written here as 1 minus 6ax plus 15a square x square. Okay, so when you multiply this one, the coefficient of x square is negative 5. So 1 multiplied by this x square term. So 15a square plus 10 multiplied by with this x term minus 6a plus 40 multiplied by this 1 equal to negative 5. 15a square minus 60a plus 40 plus 5 equal to 0. So take 15 commonly, we get a square minus 4a. This will be 45. So plus 3 equal to 0. Now factorize this one, we get a minus 3 multiplied by a minus 1 equal to 0. So the a value is 3R1. So the possible values of a is 1 and 3 also. Next, question number 4. It is given that the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of 2 plus ax the whole power 4 multiplied by 5 minus ax is 432. Find the value of the constant a. So first let's expand this. 2 plus ax the whole power 4. 4c0 2 power 4 ax power 0 plus 4c1 2 power 3ax power 1 plus 4c2 multiplied by 2 power 2 ax power 2 plus 4c3 2 power 1 multiplied by ax power 3. We need to find the coefficient of x cube, so we'll write up to x cube term only, and this is multiplied by 5 minus ax. Okay, now what is the coefficient of x cube? When 5 is multiplied by x cube term, you'll get x cube. 5 multiplied by 4c3 2a cube. Okay, then minus ax is multiplied by x square term, so we will get x cube. Coefficient of x cube is minus a multiplied by 4c2 multiplied by 4a square. So 5 multiplied by 4c3, which is 4. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. So 40a cube minus a multiplied by 4c2. 4c2 is 6. 6 is multiplied by 4. So 24a cube. And it is equal to 432. So 40a cube minus 24a cube is 16a cube, which is equal to 432. So what is a cube? 432 divided by 16, which is equal to 27. So a cube is 27, so a will be